Hello viewers, we can see on topic regression from the third unit supervised learning of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Objectives are to understand the concepts of regression in machine learning and to study about the types of regressions available in the machine learning problems. Regression analysis is a statistical method to model the relationship between independent and dependent variables. Dependent variables are otherwise called as target variable and independent variables are otherwise called as predictor variables. In some cases, there will be more than one independent variables. Regression helps us to understand how the value of the dependent variable is changing corresponding to an independent variable. And it predicts continuous or real-time values such as temperature, age, salary, price, etc. Suppose there is an example, there is a marketing company A who does various advertisement every year and gets sales on that. The below list show the advertisement made by the company in the last 5 years and the corresponding sales. In the last 5 years, for the given amount spent for the advertisement is there, and the amount profit the amount received by the sales, for the particular advertisement value, the corresponding sales values are given. And finally there is one value is missing, that is for one particular advertisement value sales value is missing. So in such cases the second value can be calculated with the previous sequence of input output pairs. So to solve such type of prediction problems in machine learning, we need regression analysis. Since the output is sequence and input is sequence, the output is depend upon the sequence of inputs. It is supervised learning algorithm which helps in finding the correlation between the variables and enables us to predict the continuous output variable based on one or more predictor variable. It is mainly used for prediction, forecasting, time series modeling and determining the cause-effect relationship between the variables. The regression shows a line or curve that passes through all the data points on target predictor graph in such a way that the vertical distance between the data points and the regression line is minimum. And in regression analysis, as we told previously, the dependent variable, that is the left hand side variable is called as target variable and the right hand side variables are used to predict the left hand side variable. So the right hand side variables are called as independent variable, otherwise predictor. And outliers are the values either which has very low value or very high value in comparison with the other observed values. Multicollinearity. If the independent variables are highly correlated with each other than other variables, then this condition is called as multicollinearity. Underfitting and overfitting. If our algorithm works well with the training data set but not well with the test data set, then such problem is called as overfitting. And if our algorithm does not perform well even with the training data set, such problem is called as underfitting. So the regression analysis helps in the prediction of continuous variable. It is used to find the trends in data. It is used to predict real continuous values, and it is having many applications. There are different types of regression are there: linear regression, logistic regression, polynomial regression, support vector regression, decision tree regression, random forest regression, ridge and lasso regression. Linear regression is a statistical regression method which is used for predictive analysis in case of which is used to show the linear relationship between the variables, independent variable and the dependent variable. If there is only one input variable, such linear regression is called a simple linear regression, and if there is more than one input variable, then such linear regression is called as multiple linear regression. So we will use one mathematical equation for linear regression. y equal to ax plus b. Here y is dependent variable or target variable, x is the independent variable or predictor variable. A and b are the linear coefficients. Some popular applications of linear regressions are analyzing trends and sales estimates, salary forecasting, real estate prediction, arriving at ETAs in traffic. Thank you.